So student, today we will continue the lesson, the Khilafat non-cooperation movement, and the remaining topic in the section first will be discussed today. Khilafat issue, in the first we will discuss it. After the World War First, the British sought to overthrow the Khalifa. Means Britishers has taken away the power of Khalifa, and many of the other steps has taken by Britishers on head of the Turkey. Khalifa was the spiritual head of the Islamic bird and the Turkish emperor because he was regarded as the very respectable person of the all Muslim community, and he was called the representative of God. Britishers had imposed the harsh peace treaty and taken away all the temporal power of the Khalifa. This incident had made anger the all Muslim community in the whole world. As a student, you know very well, these steps became the reason for the formation of Khalifa movement. So, student, after the Khilafat issue, Khilafat non-cooperation movement was started in India, but many of the incident has been seen before it. After the Khilafat issue, the Muslim reacted on it in different way as an insult because they could not bear this insult by the Britishers of their spiritual head of the country and their community also. Muslim in India had protested by forming the Khilafat Committee, which was formed in the year 1919 in Bombay by the Ali brothers. They were popularly known as Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. These two brothers also founded the very popular committee. After forming it, they protested the Britishers and their policies in all over the world. But Britishers were there in India, so they had started the protest mission or the campaign against the Britishers in India, where they had seen many of the different things in India. Because during the same time when Mahatma Gandhi ji was seeing these development of the Muslim brothers, so Mahatma Gandhi ji thought that this incident was an opportunity for him to bring the new movement in India, which could be successful to bring the Hindu and Muslim in the unity, because his last movement was failed due to the kind of this unity which was missing, because many of the places where there was a clashes between the Hindu and Muslim was seen. So Gandhiji had taken the decision to bring the Hindu and Muslim. I think all the students could understand well. Gandhiji was thinking about the power of non-cooperation, which he thought that this power was very important for the Indian, because Britishers were remaining in India last 100 years or more than 100 years, and they were getting the cooperation from the Indian. So he raised the issue very strongly in his famous book, The Hind Swaraj, that was published in the year 1909. In this book, he told that the Britishers, they were getting the kind of cooperation from the Indian from the every front, means the political, administrative, social, economical, means the Indian very, will say politely, they were following the order of the Britishers. So he believed that cooperation was the power of Britishers that empower to remain them in the country. So he decided that the Indian should answer the British government or cruelty of the British government through the policy of non-cooperation. Non-cooperation means very clear in Hindi. Asahyog means not to cooperate their policies of the Britishers. So he had decided to unfold the movement into the various stages. We will discuss this topic also in the adoption and launching of the movement. So in such a way, Gandhiji had made the blueprint of the Khilafat non-cooperation movement in such stages: launching and adoption. The movement. Gandhiji unfolded the movement into the three stages, such as surrendered the title. Gandhiji wanted that all the titles which were given by the Britishers for the honor to Indian, all such as the Sir, Rai Sahab, knighthood, and various other titles were given by the Britishers to Indian, must be surrendered, means given back to Britishers. Second stage left the government job and economic policies of the Britishers, which were given by the Britishers government to Indian, and boycotted the all foreign goods and clothes, because mostly the clothes which were worn by the Indian that time, they were mostly manufactured in the mill of the clothing industry. And last stage, if British government started to suppress the movement of Gandhiji, then started the civil disobedience campaign, where Indian had to started the policy not only to disobey the government but also politely to break the laws which were made by the Britishers, but it was a kind of campaign, not the movement. Gandhiji toured with Shaukat Ali. Gandhiji toured with Shaukat Ali all over the country and encouraged and convinced the Indian about the movement. Means he was just bringing the attention of the people of the country into the movement, because this movement was the Khilafat non-cooperation movement, where he wanted to bring the unity of the Hindu and the Muslim under the big umbrella campaign or the movement, because his last movement was failed or became unsuccessful due to this lack of unity. Congress was reluctant with the movement due to council election, because council election was going to be held in India in the Act 1919, where they were thinking if the movement would be there, then they would lose the election. So they were not in favor of the movement in the month of November and December. But there was a kind of groups, moderate and other groups, there was a tussle inside in the Congress. But at last Gandhiji convinced the Congress also, and Gandhiji had got the kind of, you'll say, approval of the Congress to adopt the movement in the Nagpur session of the Congress, which was held in 1920. For the importance of map, so you will see the location of Nagpur in the Maharashtra, where the Congress session was held and where the Khilafat non-cooperation movement was adopted. So student, all of you should also run the practice of the map, so that it will improve your map practice for the exam purpose. Thank you.